Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on Signal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have the app, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, close the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you're gonna find search bar, your previous messages, chats, calls, new message, camera, and your user icon on the top left corner. Go to that user icon to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can see options like account, appearance, chat, stories, notifications, privacy, etc. You have to go to privacy. Under privacy, you're gonna find the third option as read receipts. All you have to do is toggle off that button, and guys, that's it. That's how you turn off read receipt on Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.